I think the best way to explore JavaScript methods is to use node interactive shell or node uh, terminal editor. So I started that node tag I, and I'm inside. So here we can create variables and we can do anything that we can do using JavaScript. So let's create simple variable, string type variable. Now if I type x, the variable is created. So this is string. So in order to point all the methods of x variable, we can do this by just typing the variable name and then dot. And now if I press tab 2 times, you can see we got all the methods that are available for this. So let's try some of them. So let's try to use some of them. They are large. So which one? Let's try this one. As you can see, the text is now in uppercase. So as you can see, the text is now converted into uppercase. So let's assign this to some variable. So let's say x underscore offer is x dot to offer case. And now if I view that variable, as you can see, it is uppercase. So you can convert this to lowercase using this. As you can see, x dot to lowercase, so it's really going to convert this to lowercase. So we can convert the x underscore offer to lower just by typing to lowercase. So that's now converted to lowercase. So you can try all of these one by one. Now let's try to see the numbers. These are the string variables. So I created a variable with the string hello world, hello. So let's create a variable with string. So let's say num equals 1 2 3, and now if I type num, it is displaying that. So let's try to see all the methods of num. If I typed tab button 2 times, so here are the methods available for numbers in JavaScript. So value of to local string constructor and so on and so forth. So it is kind of class methods. So let's try to use some of them. Value of will return the value of this number, so number variable, and the spelling should be value of. As you can see, they return the value. Let's convert this to string, and as you can see, it is now in quotes. So we can to explanation, we can use try all of them. So try these yourself. Let's try on boolean. So let's say is valid equals false, and now if I type is valid dot, and now if I press tab 2 times, here are the methods available for boolean variable. So these are the same as the number. So let's try to see the type of is valid, the type is boolean. So let's try to create array and see what's all the methods they are giving to us. Let's try to create x and y and z array of 3 items. X already exists, so variable already exists. Let's say ARY, and now if I type ARY, these are the items inside this. Let's try to see all the methods. Now these are the methods available for arrays in JavaScript. So find and to local string to shift, reduce, map. So the map will iterate to each of them and display something. Is not a function. Let's try to element and just console log e, and they return x, y, and z. So you can try all of them. Some reverse push and pop operation and keys. So let's type keys to see what they are going to return. Keys, and they return object. let's try to push something into that array. Let's try to push a, and they return the index, so the index of that is 4. So let's try to see all the arrays. You can see a is pushed to the end of the array. So let's try to do some pop operation. Let's say pop, what is going to receive if I type x, it return a. What does mean? I think let's see, we removed the x, so I think the pop by default returns removes the last one. So now they remove the x, the z. Now if I type this again, this is going to remove the y, and if I type a or y array, as you can see we have just one item which is x. So you can check these steps for objects and expressions and so on and so forth. So just try these yourself. Just type create variables or something, and then type dot and then press tab button 2 times, so it will show you the methods and the methods that are available for that variable. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.